Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Pandas playlist. So guys, today again we'll be working on this data set which I got from GitHub. So let's start with it. I'll tell you what my requirement is today. We are going to look into more new functions which is present inside Pandas and our new function which is present inside NumPy. Now we know how to get a column wise data. Suppose I need data for all a name column, we know how to do that, like giving the data frame name and dot name or dot under the bracket you can give the column name. So we know how to do a column wise data, but suppose I give you a requirement, let's say I need the records or the rows where my age column is NaN or null. So how to do that? I need the set of rows or records where my age column is null. How to do? Let's see that now. Okay, so I think mhm. So for that I have again imported one more package called as NumPy, for which we'll be going into a long discussion or a playlist in our later videos. In the future there will be a new playlist for NumPy, but for now I'm using one more function of NumPy called as where. So it is nothing but it is a condition, like a where condition. It will find out the required data. So what I'm trying to do over here is I've imported my NumPy package, then I'm using this np nothing but numpy dot where function. Now what I'm trying to do over here is a is nothing but my data frame, and then I'm calling my age, I'm calling my age column, and then I'm using this is null operation. In this means it will give me value true wherever my a of age is null. So what I can do, before we move, so let's say I have this data. We know whatever a is, sorry, we know whatever a is this data. Now what I'm trying to do is a dot, okay, sorry, a of age, this will give me all age data dot is null. Let me just execute this part by part. So you'll be able to find in 0 it is false because there is some age mentioned, and in 154th index it is showing true, means at my 154 the age is NaN. You'll be able to find in this data frame it is NaN value in my age, means it is a null value. So I need to find for all 156 rows wherever my age is null. So what I can do is use this numpy for row kind of operation. I'm imported this numpy, I've used this where function where a of age dot is null. What it will give me? False and true, equal to true. So wherever my age is null, store it into my data set called as k, or a variable called as k. So I'm gonna execute this. Now before going into length, I'm just executing k. So this is my k, guys. It consists of array. So numpy, it will give me array kind of data type, which will give me a list of all the indexes where my age equal to true or my age is null. So I got my index. Now how to get my data? So for that we have one more function in our pandas called as loc, which is nothing but location. It will give me a location from my data frame. So a dot location means data frame dot location of what location do I need? I need location means data of index. I need k. K is nothing but my all these indexes. So it will locate all these indexes and it will give me all the data with respect to my indexes which is stored in my k data. So when I execute this a dot log and then k, it will give me only the records or rows where my age equal to NaN or null. So you'll be able to find this how to do record kind of operation, operation using numpy where function. So again, just a quick overview. We have imported our numpy. We have used where function where a is equal to true. We have stored all that indexes into k. Now k is nothing but my array of list consisting of indexes where a is equal to true. Then we have used this loc function, location function of my pandas package. Then we have executed this into our Jupyter notebook, and we are able to find where a is equal to null. This is our data frame. Now we can store this into our new data frame, and we can do multiple things. So this is it for today's tutorial video, where I have showed you how to do record operation or row type operation, how to filter out your records. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.